Welcome to Sleep with Psychology, a quiet place where science slows down enough to be felt. Let your breathing find the ocean's cadence, in and out, like a tide touching shore. Tonight we travel through the sea, not just as water, but as a mirror of the mind. Each creature, each phenomenon becomes a metaphor for how we remember, repair, connect, and become. The clock that learns to turn back. In stress or age, Teratopsis performs its quiet miracle. It reverses, returning to a youthful stage. Not a denial of time, but a choreography with it. Psychologically, we do this too, through rest, therapy, compassion, repatterning old responses. When you meet an old fear, you can also become new, not by erasing history, but by re-choosing who you are within it. Eyes meant for darkness. Deep where sun never travels, the giant squid holds eyes the size of dinner plates. They detect whispers of light, ghostly glows, distant motions, the hint of a whale passing in the night. In the mind, insight often begins this way, not as a spotlight, but as a faint phosphorescence. Sensitivity is not weakness. It's how we see what others miss. 8 decisions at once. An octopus tastes the world with hundreds of curious mouths. Its arms can explore semi-independently. Distributed knowing, mind pouring into muscle. We too are layered systems, gut feelings, embodied habits, breath rhythms, stories we tell ourselves. When you can't think your way out, try feeling your way through. Let a different wisdom in your body help decide. Thunder in miniature. A mantis shrimp strikes so fast the water briefly boils, collapsing into a shock-wave. Tiny thunder underwater. Even small beings hold astonishing power. Psychologically, a micro-action, one honest breath, one boundary set, one message sent, can release shockwaves of change. You don't need a storm, you need a clear intention delivered cleanly. The art of letting go to live. Threatened, a sea cucumber releases parts of itself, sticky, confusing, then grows them back. Sometimes the self-protection is not more armor, but surrender. Let go of what entangles you and regrow what you need later. Resilience is not rigidity, it's regenerative softness. Weather made of song. The blue whale sings in notes so deep, they travel across oceanic distances. Sound becomes weather. Presence becomes map. In relationships, we also broadcast. Through tone, pace, silence. Your consistency is your song. Your steadiness lets others navigate toward you in their own dark water. Camouflage as collaboration. Some crabs stitch living sponges and seaweeds onto their shells. Wardrobe as ecosystem. Protection through partnership. We also decorate ourselves with communities, practices, surroundings. Choose companions that do more than hide you. Choose those that help you grow, breathe, and feel more alive. The pouch of patience. In seahorses, males carry the young. Nurture redesigned. Care is not a gender, it's a choice. Within you, the masculine strength can hold, tend, and warm. The feminine intuition can steer and protect. Let your inner roles trade places until balance feels natural. Centuries in slow motion, a Greenland shark's heart beats like a winter clock. Some live longer than empires. Longevity through slowness. In a speed-obsessed culture, going slow can be radical. Try small, slow habits. Sleep on it, walk without headphones, drink water as if it were time. Longevity is often made of simple rhythms, kept faithfully. Teeth you can't see. Dragonfish carry perfectly clear teeth, no betraying gleam when their jaws open. In the psyche, some defenses are invisible. Humor, hiding grief, productivity, masking fear. Notice what does not shine. Notice what never glints. Naming the unseen ends. It's stealth. The The pelagic mind. Ocean currents move heat and history around the globe. Memory does this inside you. A scent, a song, a place. Suddenly the past is warm again. You can't stop the current, but you can navigate it. Breathe, orient, choose your heading. Let memories pass through, not pull you under. Behind the poetry is physiology. Slow breathing tugs the nervous system toward rest and digest. Even imagining gentle motion, waves arriving, waves receding, can downshift arousal, soften muscles, quiet the amygdala's alarms. This isn't magic, it's training. And practice is kinder than perfection. The ocean returns what it can. Shells on the beach, clarity after the storm. You will rise tomorrow with a few bright fragments from tonight. A slower heart, a truer name, a decision you don't have to rush. Thank you for drifting with Sleep with Psychology. May your body rest like a harbor after long weather. May your mind remember the science it felt in its bones. And may your dreams be lit softly by creatures who have always known how to live in the dark. Good night, until we drift again.